Good evening, sir.
Hey, hi. Good evening to all of you. Okay, so today's session is, about week 9 solve with us. Okay. So one more thing, today's session will be taken by one of the new instructor. So today's session will be handled by Prerna ma'am. Okay. So she will, conduct the today's session. So Prerna, I think we can start. Uh, all of you, you have to join that peer day thing. So please open your Chrome or browser. Just simply write joinpd.com, and after that we will provide one of no, code to join that peer deck. So Prerna, can you share your screen? Yeah, thank you.
Sir,
Yes.
actually, I have I have a doubt not related to this topic. Like,
Uh,
uh, are you informed about that part of weekly grade extra assignments, sir? Extra activities. In that, I have doubt.
okay. What is the issue?
Sir, if someone has graded wrongly, like they say the graph and all is not available, but it is actually available. So, will that marks not change? Like he just reviewed
Okay.
something.
First thing, whether all of the peers have like mentioned the same thing, or is it only for one peer?
No, sir. Two of them have mentioned correctly. I got full score
Then
by
it's
two of them.
no need to
But
worry.
one,
See, thing is that I think I cleared the same thing in last session also. So if there is any discrepancy in the marks given by the peers, right? So we have backend mechanism to check it and rectify it. So there is, I mean, no need to worry about this kind of things. Okay, once uh, due date over will be over, we will check, and we the marks from our side. Okay, with the marks which will update from our side, that will be the final. It may be suppose from peers overall you got 90. Okay, so it may be higher than that, it may be lower than that. Okay, so that's one of the possibility, but you have to wait for some time. Okay, fine.
okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, so this is just enter joinpd.com, and the code you can see, this is BPFIMM. So everyone please enter this code and join the peer deck as soon as you can, so that we can start this session.
Sir, we have to join on peer deck, sir.
Yes.
Okay, enter this code.
Sorry. You can see the code on top right corner, right? It's written there B.
BPFIMM. That's right, sir.
Correct.
Is that
Correct.
right, sir?
Yeah, that
Okay,
is the
sir.
code. Yeah.
Okay, joining, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, is this meeting recorded or not, sir?
Yeah, it's a recorded, right? Every sessions we are recording.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I think we can wait for 2 minutes. Okay, so rest of people, please join this peer deck thing as soon as you can, so that we can start the session on time. Okay, so what you have to do, just simply open your browser and simply write joinpd.com, and the code for that you can see in top right corner on the screen. It's a BPFIMM. Okay.
Sir, I've joined the session, sir. Random variable. Yeah, yes, sir. Sir, I have a question.
You are not audible.
So the voice is not audible.
Sir, your mic is off.
Sir, you are not audible.
Not audible, sir.
Sir, you are not audible, sir.
Audible now?
The voice is very low.
I'll wait a minute.
Ma'am, voice is slow, ma'am.
Sir, voice is not coming.
Is this fine now? Hello.
Yeah, better. My voice is very low, ma'am. Not
It's a little bit better, ma'am, but not the best.
Is it adjustable? No. Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Yeah, it's audible now.
Okay, so I was saying
But it's like
that let us suppose we toss a coin.
Ma'am,
We
it's
toss
not a, ma'am, your voice is not clear, ma'am. I don't know if it's a problem on my end or yours, but your voice is not clear.
It's not audible. Either you remove the headphones or.
Hemant sir's voice is audible, but
it's very low.
Very low. It's not audible.
yeah,
That's what
it's not audible. It's very low right now.
No, we can't hear you. If you're speaking, ma'am, we can't hear you.
Ma'am, if you're speaking, we cannot hear.
please wait for 2 minutes.
Sure, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, it's still very low, but better than the previous.
Can you please suggest with this?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can you
yeah,
use
yeah.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, but can you try increasing the volume of your microphone in your settings or something? That usually works for me.
Okay. Continue, we'll adjust.
Ma'am, use your phone as a microphone. Just add your phone in this meeting and use it as a microphone.
Yeah. It's a nice to be too.
Uh, Hello everyone. Please wait for a few minutes. Okay, we'll start
Okay,
in a
sir.
while. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Am I audible now?
Ma'am, the audio
Yes,
is
ma'am.
a
Yes,
little
ma'am.
better.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you're audible, ma'am.
Yeah, we are
Clear. It's all clear.
screen
Yes,
is
ma'am, you're audible.
audible, but
The
screen
screen
is not.
share is not.
The screen share has been disabled, I think, but ma'am is audible, so that's one problem that's been solved. Yeah, the screen share is back. Yeah,
Now-
everything's good.
now-
Yes, right. Right.
Yes, ma'am. Both things are perfect.
Okay. So so there are two types of random variables: discrete random variable and continuous random variable. So we know that discrete random variable is a variable that takes distinct values on the real line. So let us take an example. Suppose we toss 2 coins. So we will be having the sample space as head tail head, and tail. Just a minute. So let us suppose that we take a random variable x, which represents the number of heads So we can see that for this event, the number of heads are 2. And for this event, number of heads is 1. And for this also, number of head is 1. And here, number of head is 0. So we can see that random variable x is taking values 0, 1, and 2. So if we represent it on the real line, this is taking values 0, 1, and 2. Okay, so we can see it is taking distinct value on the real lines. It cannot take values between these two. Like it cannot take value 0.5. Okay, we cannot say that random head appears 0.5 times. It does not make sense. So discrete random variable is a variable that takes distinct value on the real lines. For example, number of people in the household, number of balls in a bag. Okay, and that is also countable. We can count the number of people in the household. And the continuous random variable is a random variable which can take any value on the real line within a certain range. So for example, if we are measuring the weights of class 10th, so let us suppose the weight of students lie between 40 kg to 60 kg. So it can take any value within this interval, 40 kg to 60 kg. It can be 50 kg also, or 55.5 kg also. So it can take any value. So this type of random variable is called continuous random variable. And also we can see that if the random variable is countable, then it is discrete. And if it is measurable, then it is continuous. So here is the first question. Consider the following: number of spelling mistakes in a report, time taken by a person to write, and weight of a person. And we have to, the question is, which of the following is a discrete random variable? Now you have to answer the question.
A.
It's B. Yeah. Number of, yeah. A.
Ma'am, A option.
Option A.
Do we need to write there? Or
Option A.
Have you all done?
Ma'am, we can mark it on the peer deck website, right?
Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So we can
Yes,
see
ma'am,
that
done.
number of spelling mistakes in a report, we can count it. So it will be a discrete random variable. So option A will be correct. And we know that time taken by a person to write the exam. So suppose the time duration of the exam is 3 hours. So time taken by a person can be 2 hours or 2.5 hours, or it can take any value within 1 hour to 3 hours. So time taken by a person will be a continuous random variable. So option B is incorrect. And weight of person, I have already discussed that weight of a person is a continuous random variable. So option A only is correct here. Now you all have studied what is a probability mass function. So let x is a discrete random variable. Suppose n takes value x1, x2 up to xn. Then for a discrete random variable, the probability mass function px, it has two properties, that px, which is the probability at point x, it should be greater than or equal to 0. It cannot be negative. And the second property is that the sum of all the probabilities for each value of x should be equal to 1. Question number 2. Let x is a discrete random variable and it takes value 0, 1, 2, 3. Now you have to check whether it is a PMF or not. So solve this.
कहाँ है? वे,
Okay, so
क्या हुआ
let me
मम्मी?
solve this question.
Yes, ma'am.
So here Px is given as just uh, actually my laptop is not working properly this time. Not able to write on the screen.
मैम एज से ही पढ़ाई ना।
बुआ यहाँ आओ, बताइए व्हाट इज अनसेफ टच? बताओ बताओ जल्दी बताओ, क्यों नहीं याद करा है?
Bro,
कल
mute
हम सुबह
yourself.
सुनेंगे, जाओ, हमने 3 बार पूछा है।
Hey, sir, mute yourself.
Please mute yourself.
Okay, hello. Hi. Yeah, so this is Prasant.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so actually there is some issue with her laptop and mic. So I will
Yes, sir.
continue the session from now onwards. Okay. Just give me a 2 minute. I will share my screen and we will start the usual session. Okay. Just give me a 2 minutes. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
How many questions done? I think
One
one or
has
two.
been done.
Only two
One, sir.
questions.
Only one.
Ongoing. Second was ongoing.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
All right. All right. So
Second one
is
is
there is
unanswered.
all right. No problem. Is there any doubt in question number one?
No,
Anyone?
sir.
No,
No.
sir.
Is it fine for everyone?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So just give me a second. I will start from the question number two. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir, it's
Yes, sir.
visible.
So since I do not means I didn't add as a peer deck, we will continue with the PDF form itself. Okay, let's try to understand the concepts and all. So I hope this question number is okay to all of you. I think we have already discussed this kind of discrete random variable and continuous random variable in the last session itself.
Yes.
So this PMF all we have also discussed, right? Are you okay with that, everyone? Okay. So PMF we have discussed. What is the PMF? So suppose you have as a discrete random variable. So PMF is nothing but it will show probabilistic behavior at each point of each values of x, right? Random variable x. Okay. And to be a valid PMF, there are two properties. First one is probability should be greater than or equal to 0, and second one is summation of all the probabilities should be equal to 1. So these two properties should be uh, I mean should satisfy, then we can say this is the valid probability mass function. So let's come to question number 2. So we'll start from here onwards. So I will give you some 2 to 3 minutes. So you have to check whether I mean you have access as a discrete random variable which is taking value 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, right? So question is you have to check whether this 5 by 6 into 1 by 6 raised power x, this is the valid PMF or not. Okay. So I'm going to give you some
Already
yeah.
she given time and we completed already.
Completed, huh?
Please
Okay,
go
so
for
what's
the
the
answer, yes.
so what's the answer according to your side, everyone?
Yes,
You can use
option number A.
this
Yes.
Zoom chat for now.
Okay.
Option number A. Okay.
Yeah, sir, option number A.
All right. Okay, I can see some answers on chat box. Yeah, so option number A. Let's see the solution part. Which one is the correct? Okay, so first thing, we have to use the property, right? So what is the properties we have seen? First of all, this should be greater than or equal to 0. All the probabilities, right? If you will substitute, let's say x equal to 0, you will get 5 by 6 into 1 by 6 raised power 0, which is nothing but 5 by 6. This is greater than 0 or not? Right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if you will put 5 by 6 into 1 by 6 raised power 1, you will get 5 by 36, which is again greater than 0, something like that, right? So you can see this is greater than or equal to 0. Now, what is the second property? Summation of all the probabilities should be equal to 1. All right. So let's do this one. So what we have to do, we have to add all the probabilities. So what it will be? It will be 5 by 6 summation of 1 by 6 raised power x. 5 by 6 I can take outside, yes or no?
Yeah, outside.
Yes, sir.
Right.
This is
Everyone
fine.
is able to understand from here, or should I write somewhere else?
No, sir, we are okay.
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 Yes, sir.
Basically, what we are doing here, give me a second. So we have 5 by 6 into 1 by 6 raised power x, summation of x equal to 0 to infinity, because it says so on. We don't know the last value. So what I can do, I can take 5 by 6 outside, then it will be x equal to 0 to infinity 1 by 6 raised power x. Then what I can do next, I will substitute the values of x. So first I will put the value as a 0. It will be 1 by 6 raised power 0 plus 1 by 6 raised power 1 plus 1 by 6 raised power 2 and so on, right? And what is this? This is something 1 by 6 raised power 0 will be what? 1 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 square and so on. This is the series we will be getting.
GP.
Correct? Yes or no? This something raised power 0 is 1, right? This is okay to all of you?
Yes, sir.
And we know
Yes,
if
sir.
we have
Yes,
1
sir.
plus r square, r cube plus so on, then what is the value for this series? 1
A
divided by
upon
1
1 minus
minus
R.
r, right? Where r is less than. So you can say this is 1 divided by 1 minus r. So r is what here? 1 by 6. Correct? So it will be 5 by
Yes, sir.
6, this one, into 1 by this 1 minus 1 by 6, which is again 5 by 6. This will get cancelled out and we got as a 1. So we can say all the probabilities are greater than or equal to 0. And also we have seen summation of all the probabilities is equal to 1. We will say this is a valid probability mass function. Is this fine to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, great. So let's come to the next question. The question says, a random variable x has this following probability mass function. It's clearly mentioned this is the probability mass function. So question is, you have to find the value of k. So that means what? I can use the properties of probability mass function, yes or no? Right?
Yeah.
So which property I will
Yes, sir.
use there?
So summation
Let
of
summation
px
is
equal
equal
Summation
to
of
to
1.
equal to
Summation
1.
of the x.
1.
Summation of all the probabilities should be equal to 1. So
Yes,
use
sir.
this
Yes,
property
sir.
and let me know the answer. You can simply answer on the Zoom chat. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm giving you some 3 to 4 minutes. At 8:40, I will ask for the answer.
0.1. Hello. Sir, answer is
Yes.
0.1.
I don't know. I need to check the next slide. We'll see together. Okay. So I can see lots of people are giving 0.1, 0.1. That
Sir, your voice is low, sir.
now is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Answer
Yes,
is
sir.
answer is 0.1. We will see the solution part. No worries. Okay? But before that, you should try on your own. Okay, that will give you some idea how to attempt these kind of questions. So I think you are able to do within 2 or 3 minutes. It seems like everyone is getting same answer.
Solve हो गया, sir.
Okay. Okay. Great. Should we proceed with the solution part?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I know the property. Okay. We can use summation of all the probabilities equal to 1, right? Then
1.
what it will be? It will be k, right? So it will be k. I mean 0 plus, okay, k plus 2k plus 3k plus
Double 2 कैसे?
oh sorry, yeah, double 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k, it's nothing but equal to 1. So
1.
from here you can see we can collect these k square. So this is 7291 10k square
Plus
plus
9k.
9, right? 3 4 4 8, yeah, 9k, and
Minus
this
1.
is equal to 1. So
Minus 1
this
equals to
equal to
0.
1 I can take as a
Minus 1,
minus
yeah.
1 equal to 0, right? So what we
Yes,
can
sir.
do, we can do here, I can write 10k minus k minus 1 or not.
Yes, sir.
And from here 10k I can take common, so it will be k plus 1 minus 1 k plus 1 equal
Yes,
to
sir.
0. So what we
Yeah.
got from here, we can see yeah, so yeah, this is the case, right? We will get this
Yes,
part,
sir.
right? So okay,
Hmm.
so there is two possibilities for k, 1 by 10 and minus 1. So why can't we take minus 1? Is there any reason?
Because
It can't be
probability
negative,
can't
sir.
be
But it's
negative.
0 and 1.
Probability
It
cannot
can't be
be
negative.
negative.
Probability
All the
cannot be
probabilities
negative.
should be greater than equal to 0. Okay.
Greater or
0
So
and
equal
1.
value of
Yeah.
k will be
The probability
0.
can be equal to 0.
So this value of k will be 1 by 10, which is 0.1. Is this fine to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now. So let's come to the next question. By using the information in the previous one, you have to find the value of probability x less than 6. Okay, so you have some 2 to 3 minutes.
Yes.
So everyone got the answer? I can see some answers 0.81, 0.8. Okay. Yeah, we'll see. I will wait for 1 more minute and then correct solution for this question. Okay, I got one different answer, 0.83. Let's see. Okay, so can we see the solution part?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
so we can see simply for probability x less than 6 means we have to add all the probabilities till x equal to 5, right? Because it's a discrete, right? So I'm talking about x less than 6. So before 6, we have to consider the means we have to combine all the probabilities. So that is, we have to add this probability plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this part. Okay. So what is the value
Yeah,
of k, which is 1 by
0.10.
10? Okay, 1 by 10. So for this part, it will be, we can add simply here. So it will be 0 plus k plus 2k plus again 2k plus 3k plus k square. Okay. So what is the case here? Yeah, that's also fine. That's not a problem. You can go with that. Answer will be the same here. So it will be k square plus 3 to 5 to 7 and
8K.
8k, right? So what is the value of k? 1 by 10. So it will be 1 by 100 plus 8 into 1 by 10. So this is 1 by
81 by
100
100.
plus 81 by 10, right? 81 by 10.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
No,
sir.
8 by.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Sir, 8 by 10, sir.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
sir,
Sorry.
8 by 10.
It's a 8 by 10. Yeah. Thanks. Okay. So it will be, what's the value for this? 1 by 100? 0.
81 by 100. 81 by 100, sir.
0.081.
Yeah.
Plus
81
81
by
by
100
100,
we
sir.
can do, or yeah,
0.01.
0.01, then 0.8, and this will give you 0.81, which we can see
Yeah,
here.
sir.
And the one more like approach
And
someone gave on the chat box, I think Ravish, that's also correct one. So actually it is asking about probability x less than 6, right? So I can do 1 minus probability x greater or equal to 6 or not, right? This
yeah.
is also correct one. So in this case, what's the
Yes.
smart approach is, we have to add only 2 values, right? Rather than some 5 values and all. Okay. So you can go
Yes.
with this also. So this is also one of the good approach. So you can simply see here, you will get 1 minus, this will be 9k square plus k, right? It will be 1 minus 9k square. That means 9 by 100 plus 1
Yeah.
by 10. So if you will solve this, so it will be 1 minus 0.09 plus 0.1. So it will be 1 minus 0.19, which is same as 0.81.
81.
Okay. So either way is the correct, right? You can proceed with either approach. At the end, you will get the correct answer. Okay. So in case of discrete random variable, we have to be focused. Okay. Rather than this, tell me what should be the answer if I will write in the, for the same question, what is the value of capital F of 5?
Sir, P of 5.
I'm asking capital F of 5.
Less than or equal to 5.
What this represent, first of all? Capital F. Yeah, CDF, correct. Okay. So we have seen the CDF, right? CDF F of A is nothing but probability that x less or equal to A. Yes or no? Right? CDF is what? I think you should rewatch the open session. It stands for cumulative distribution function, right? And in the case of CDF, what we are doing, we have to accumulate the probabilities till that point, right? So this means f of 5 will be probability x less or equal to 5 or not. Would you agree with me now?
Yes, sir.
Right. So this
Yes,
is what?
sir.
This is same, I can say this is probability x less than 6, which we have calculated here. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. Yeah. So by the information is the same. Question is that there is a change a bit in the question. Here you have to calculate probability that x will lie between 0 to 5. I mean, x should be more than 0 and less than 5. Okay. So I think
So
1 or 2 minutes,
0.8.
1 or 2 minutes will more. Yeah. So rather than CC, let's try.
Sir, x should be more than 0 and less than 5, na?
Yes.
Okay.
So just try on your own. Okay. So then we'll see after answer after 2 minutes. Okay, I can see some of you are giving answers as a 0.8, 0.8. Let's see. Okay, so what is the meaning of this probability that x will lie between, I mean, it should be greater than 0 and less than 5. That means what? X can take value. Okay, this means what? This means probability x can take value 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
this means I have to add the probability x equal to 1 plus probability x equal to 2 plus probability x equal to 3 plus probability x equal to 4. So what are the values? 1 plus sorry, k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k. So this is 8k, right? Which is 8 by 10, which is 0.8. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
No?
sir.
No, sir.
Okay, yeah, we can see.
No,
Yeah,
sir.
this is the 0.8 is the correct answer. Okay. Now, so let's come to next question. It may take some time. So question says, Naman has to give 3 mock tests. The probability that he will not give any mock is 1 by 8. The probability that he will give 1, 2, and 3 mock test are 3 by 8, 3 by 8, and 1 by 8 respectively. Let x be a discrete random variable which represents the number of mock tests given by Naman. What is the probability that he will give at least 2 mock tests? So what is the meaning of at least 2 mock tests?
Greater than or equal to 2.
Greater than or
Greater than
equal
or
to 2.
okay. So you have to
Yes, sir. Greater
be
than or equal to 2.
correct. So just try this, okay, and let me know on the chat. Okay, so I can see some answers 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Ujjwal is giving answers 3 times. Okay, 0.5, 0.5. Others are trying. Okay, so someone, I don't know who is it, SR. This according to him or her, it's a 1.5. So you have to check probability cannot exceed 1. Okay, so whenever you are giving answers regarding to probability, okay, so if you are going to guess even, okay, so make sure it shouldn't, your guess shouldn't be, outside the range. The probability will always be in between 0 to 1. Okay. Okay. So should we see the solution, or if still you are trying, we can wait.
Done, sir.
Proceed, sir.
Okay, first of all, can you tell me what is the possible values x will take here?
2 and 3.
Only 2 and 3. I'm talking about
0,
x.
1, 2, 3.
Yes. So x will take, because x represents the number of mock, right? So it will be, it will take 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. What is the probabilities associated with each values for 0? I mean, he will not give any mock, right? That means, right? It's a 1 by 8.
Yeah.
For 1, 3 by 8.
3
For
by 8.
2, 3 by
3
8.
by 8.
So you can
Yeah,
see
so
this is the
1
valid PMF. Yes or no? If you will add all
Yeah.
these probabilities, this is
Yes, sir.
sum will be 1,
Yes,
right?
sir, it's a valid.
1
And all
yes.
the probability is
Yes, sir.
greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So question is, he will give at least 2 mock tests. So that means x will be greater than or equal to 2.
2 and 3.
Right? So we have to add the probability x equal to 2 and x
And
equal to
it's
plus
3.
x equal to
3.
3. So for 2, it's 3 by 8. For 3, it's 1 by 8. So 3 by 8 plus 1 by 8, which is 4 by 8, which is 0.5. One more thing you can do from here. So probability x greater than or equal to, that means I can write 1 minus probability x less than 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So which means probability x equal to 0 plus probability x equal to 1. So this means 1 minus, what is the value for probability x equal to 0? It's 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8. Again 1 minus, 4 by 8, 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2, which is nothing but 1 by 2. So either way you can proceed, you will get the same answer. Okay. Any doubt in this part?
No, sir,
No,
clear.
Yeah.
No, sir.
So now the CDF we have discussed already. So CDF stands for cumulative distribution function. So in cumulative distribution function, what we are doing, as name suggests, so what we have to do basically, we have to accumulate all the probabilities till that point, right? Or till that value, whatever you can say. Yes or no? So you can see what is f of x. So this small x is means random variable capital X is taking this as a one of the value. So this capital F of x will be probability x less or equal to x, and we have seen this CDF will always be lie between 0 and 1 because this is a probability. Also we have seen this is a increasing function. Increasing function means if x1 is less than or equal to x2, then capital F of x1 will be also less than or equal to capital F of x2. Yes or no? Would you agree with me?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
For
sir.
Yes, sir.
example, tell me what is f of 1 here? Means probability x
3
less or
by
equal to 1. So that means probability x equal to 0 plus probability x equal to 1. That means it will be 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8, which is half.
4 by 8. Yes, sir.
If I will say f of 2, that means probability x less or equal to 2. That means it will be 1 by 8. I mean till 2. 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 3 by 8, right?
Yes, sir.
Which is how much?
7 by 8.
7 by 8.
So here f of 1 is less than f of 2 or not?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes,
See,
sir.
0.5, this half is less than 7 by 8. Yes or no? And you
Yes,
can
sir.
see 1 is also less than 2. So this
Yes.
property is verified or not?
Yes, sir.
All right. Is this clear? Any doubt in this
No.
concept? No? Okay.
No, sir.
So next question is related to that part. So question number 5 says, x be a discrete random variable with the following probability distribution. Means here x is taking 4 values 1, 2, 3, 4 with these probabilities. So you have to find the value of f of 3. Okay, so what will be your first approach? Because here we don't know the value of these two are unknown quantity,
First,
right?
calculate the value of k and calculate the
Then
f.
calculate the f of 3.
3.
Okay. Yeah. So you have some 3 to 4 minutes solve this and
Yeah.
yeah. Okay. So everyone got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. No problem. Okay, so let's see. So first of all, we have to use the property that summation of all the probabilities should be equal to 1. So what we can do, 1 plus, 1 by 4 plus 4k plus k plus 1 by 8 equal to 1. So it will be 5k plus, this will become, you can say 2 by 8 plus 1 by 8, 3 by 8 equal to 1. So it will be, uh,
14
correct,
sir.
right?
Sir,
So
we can
Yeah,
5k.
just
correct.
ignore the value of k and just subtract 1 minus 1 by 8.
Yeah, that's the second one and smartest approach. Without calculating the value of k, you can simply, calculate the value.
Yes.
So from here, we can get the value of k also, right? 5k is equal to 5 by 8,
40.
which is nothing but k is equal to 1 by 8. Yes or no? Second
Yeah.
one, see, we can do like this. So what is the f of 3? F of 3 means probability that x is less or equal to 3, right? And we can do 1 minus probability x greater than 3. What is the x greater than 3? Only
1
one
by
value.
8.
1 minus 1 by 8, that is 7 by 8, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Or else you can go with this also. So probability x less than or equal to 3 here. So that means we have to add the probabilities. Probability x equal to 1 plus x equal to 2 plus probability that x equal to 3. So for 1, it's 1 by 4. For 2, it is 4k. And for 3, it's k. And this is 1 by 4 plus 5k. What is the value of k? This is 1 by 8. So again, you
8.
can see this is 7 by 8. So either way, you can calculate, but this one is the very like shortest and
Easiest way.
easiest way. Okay. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah, we can see probability of x less equal to 3 is 7 by 8, which is 0.87. No. So tell me this one and whether which one is the correct. It shouldn't take more less than, I mean, more than some 5 seconds.
No, sir, because it's negative value.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Even if you'll add here, right? If you will put all the values, it will be 4 by 16 plus 5 by 16 minus 1 by 16 plus 8 by 16. So it will be
16.
5, 4, 9, 8, 17 minus 1, 16 by 16. Addition of all the probability equal to 1. But the first property, which is this, you can
It is
say,
not between 0 and 1.
correct. So
Yeah.
probability should always be greater than or equal to 1. Right? I mean, at probability x equal to minus 1, probability is minus 1 by 16, which is not
Not
which is not
possible.
possible, right? So this is not a valid probability mass function. Okay, so some sort of this rough idea is clear to all of you regarding this probability mass function and
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Yes,
CDF
sir.
and all. If
Yes.
suppose some unknown quantity is
Yes,
given
sir.
to you, then how to proceed, or else this you have to ask. You have been asked what is the probability that x will lie between this to this, or suppose any condition is given to you. Let's say I'm saying 0 less than x less than 5, given that x is greater than 2, something like that. Okay, so you will be able to solve this kind of question, right? Okay, so here you can apply the conditional probability formula. Yes or no? Then you can simply see what are the possible values for this case, and x greater than 2 divided by probability x greater than 2. You can simply find the common values for x and denominator, and you can simply divide and you will get the answer. Is this fine? I think something similar questions we have done, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So next question is this question says there is a vessel which contains 4 black and 5 white balls. Do this question little bit carefully. So question says 4 balls are transferred into an, there is a, let's say this is contain 4 black and 5 white. So there is empty box or vessel, you can say. We have to transfer 4 balls. Okay. So let y be a random variable which represents the number of black balls which are transferred. Okay, be focused. It is asking about what y represents. Y represents number of black ball which are transferred. What value of random variable will have maximum probability? Means you have to find the uh, let's say you have to find the value of y for which the probability will be maximum. Everyone, for everyone, question is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm going to give you some 4 to 5 minutes. Just do this a bit carefully and let Okay, so are you able to do it, or if you are trying, we can wait for a few minutes. Because I can see very few responses in the chat. Okay, only some 4 or 5. So, are you trying this? Yes, no, anything?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Trying.
Yeah, let's wait for few. Then we'll start. Okay, should we wait, or can we proceed?
I think we can proceed. Yeah.
We can proceed. Okay, all right. Okay, so first of all, we have to think what is the possible values your y will take. Random variable y will take. Okay, so here, okay, so this we had 4 black and 5 white ball, right? And we have to transfer 4 balls in an empty box. So y can take okay, it is something like we can transfer 0 black and all white ball. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
1 black and 3 white ball.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2 black and 2 white. You can see in total we are transferring how much? 4.
4 balls.
2 black, 2 white. 3 black, 1 white, 4 black and 0 white, right? So what will the probability when y will take value 0? So okay, first of all, what is okay, what is the probability? Probability is what? Favorable cases divided by total, right? So what is the total here?
126. 9.
Yeah, basically 9C4, right? In total, we have 9 ball, and how much we have to select? 4.
4 balls, yeah.
But for this case, what is the part? 0 black ball. That means 4C0 and 5C4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So you can solve this value is coming like this. And for this part, when y will take value 1. Okay, we'll go here. So 1 means what? 1 black ball and remaining 3 are white. Correct? And we have total 4 black and 5 white. So to select This total case is clear, right? Denominator part is okay. For numerator, we have to select one black ball and remaining 3. So out of 4, I can choose one black ball in 4C1 ways and 3 white ball in 5C3 ways. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Similarly, for y equal to 2, 2 black ball, 2 white ball. I mean, selecting 2 black ball out of 4, I can do in 4C2 way and in 5C2 ways for balls. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Everyone is getting this point, right? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
No,
No, sir.
no, sir, no, sir.
And what about this part? For y equal to 3, 4C3, 3 black balls and remaining one will be white ball. And similarly, y equal to 4, 4C4 and 5C0 and denominator is 9C4. So we can say for y equal to 2, probability is maximum. Okay, what if suppose question says y represents the number of number of white ball which are transferred. Then what is the possible values your y will take? My question
0,
is
1,
clear.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Suppose
5.
till 5, is it okay? Can you think?
Till 4 only.
Till 4.
Till 4 only, right?
Yeah.
Because 4 balls are transferred.
Correct. You can't take
Yes, sir.
y
So
will not be
first 4
5.
only.
5 means you are saying you are going to transfer 5 white balls, right? Which is not the case. We have to transfer only 4 balls.
4 balls.
Also, what about 0 balls? 0 white, can you say?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. All
Right?
black balls.
You
Yes,
can
sir.
say 0 white means all are black,
Black balls.
1 white, 3 are black, and 2 white, 2 are black, 3 white, 1 are black, and 4 white, 0 black. We can't say 5 white, right? Because we have to transfer only 4 balls in total. So you have to think a bit here, because sometimes this kind of manipulation you can get in your questions and all. So be clear with this. So this is the, for y equal to 2, we are getting the maximum probability. Any doubt?
No, sir. Clear.
So
No,
this
sir.
is a very interesting slide. Okay, which one I think?
Thank you.
Thank you, slide.
So thank you all. So we are done with this solve slide. So
Thank
if
you,
you
sir.
have any doubt regarding, okay, week 9 is okay to all of you, or any doubt in any
No,
part?
no,
No,
doubt.
sir.
Sir,
It's okay.
sir, can you explain the previous question once again?
Sir, can I ask sir one question out of week 9
Miss from where?
from sir probability actually. Actually, sir, I'm still having confusion in selecting probability. Like now you said like 0 black balls and 4 white balls. Now also I'm making mistakes.
No, so you can share with me. That's not a problem. You can mail to me also, right? Or else you can uh, post on discussion forum. Anything is fine. So
Sir,
because
what is your mail ID, sir?
you can simply use my name, Prasan, and then at the rate yesterday dot iitm dot ac dot in.
Okay.
Okay, so someone has doubt regarding this question, right? In this question or a previous one?
No, sir, this question. 4
Yeah.
black ball and 5 white ball.
What is your doubt?
Sir, I'm not able to understand what's the value Y holds.
What's the value?
Y hold the probability that we are selecting value of
Okay,
Y.
so this part is clear. The values the y is taking.
Yes, sir, that is clear.
Okay, so where you
What
have
is
to
the
doubt?
answer? I'm not getting that.
Answer is probability y equal to 2. See, question is
So, but
for
why? How? I'm not
see.
understanding.
Okay, you didn't read the question carefully. Then in that case, question is for what value of the random variable it will have the maximum probability. Okay, so to find the value of y, I mean that value for which your probability should be maximum. Okay, you can see for probability y equal to 0, for which probability is maximum?
I equals to 2 is maximum. Yes.
Then y will be 2.
Oh, okay, sir. I get it now.
Okay, for y equal to 2
Yes,
is
sir.
probability is maximum, right? Okay.
So I was thinking for only black balls, the probability should be maximum.
No, no, no,
So
no,
if we take y equals to 4, then the probability will be more for black
no, no,
balls.
no. It's not like that. Okay. So I can see someone is asking syllabus and all. So for end term, syllabus will be from week 1 to week 12. Yeah, so we'll share, I mean, we'll send one announcement regarding, week wise syllabus and all sometime.
Sir,
But
exam timing will be of 4 hours.
I think so.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And major questions will be from week 9 to week 12. Okay. I mean, major means more than 50%, and you can expect 55, 60. I mean, exact percentage will share after,
Sir, for
sometime.
end of the, how many questions will be there?
Question number you can expect around, I need to cross check
20.
13 to 14,
20.
but but it will be like you can easily do within
Even time frame.
yeah, in the given hour
Yeah,
it will
because
be.
sir,
1.5 hour, I
three
guess.
times, yeah, 3 hours
Yes.
partly we will get for.
Yeah,
Okay,
6 hours
yeah,
Yeah,
total.
yeah.
correct,
6
correct,
hours
correct,
total.
correct. Yeah, fine,
We
fine.
have
Yeah.
given
So you
1 hour or
see,
2 hour break.
questions we are designing such a way you can do questions, within given time limit. Okay, so Satvik is asking, he has doubt in practice assignment question number 2. So Satvik, what was your approach for that particular question? Did you try it or you simply just Satvik, can you hear me? Satvik, did you try that question or not?
Yes, I tried but couldn't do it.
Okay, this multiple choice question you are talking about.
What's the second question? An organization in Texas organizes lucky draw this month.
For me, second one is there is 10 choices.
Sorry, sir, this is for graded assignment. Sorry.
Graded assignment. No, no. So graded assignment we can't discuss now. Okay.
Okay,
Sir, can I ask something, sir?
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, if I have if I have a doubt in any question, sir, sir, so how can I contact you, sir? कैसे contact करें क्लासेस के अलावा?
Okay, so you have access of discussion forum or not discussion forum?
Sir, in assignment courses.
Yeah. There is one discussion forum.
Yes,
you
sir.
can simply post questions there. Okay. Majorly TAs are active there. Anyway, if means I can answer there. That's not a
Sir, that
problem.
discuss one.
Yeah, discussion forum. Yes, you can simply post the question there, right? Okay.
Achha, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, so I think everyone is okay with the concepts of week 9.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's
Yes,
then
sir.
very
Yes,
good
sir.
thing. Yeah, I'm very happy
Hello,
actually.
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have doubt regarding continuous and discrete variable, random variable. So in one of the tutorial, the thing is number of sand particles and its weight were counted.
1 minute. Okay.
Yes, so number of particles we can count as a discrete variable, right? But for weight, they took two conditions.
What are
If
those?
in first case, if the weight is identical for all sand particles, then it will be the discrete variable, discrete random variable, discrete random variable. And
Okay.
if weight varies, then in that case, it will become continuous.
Okay.
So I really didn't understand this concept.
What is the tutorial number? Can you let me know? I will cross check what is the issue. But just let me know the tutorial
Just a
number.
second. Yes, sir. So just a minute.
I need to check the solution then. What is the case there?
Hello, sir.
Yes, yeah.
It's tutorial 4, I guess.
Tutorial 4. Okay. Okay, no worries. I will cross check with if there is any issue and all. I will replace the solution video. Okay.
Okay.
I will cross check and then I will. Okay.
Sir, my doubt is in general condition. What are those conditions in which discrete variable become continuous and continuous become discrete? So
no, it's not like that. Basic thing you have to keep in your mind. Just simply think whether you simply draw a real line, right? And just think whether it is on real number line, whether this is taking distinct value, okay, or is it possible to take values in between also? Okay. I mean, first thing what you can see. Let me share my screen. That is something we have discussed already. See, what you can see, first of all, for discrete, just see whether you are able to count. You will go for discrete. Okay. And if you have to measure the thing, go for continuous. Second thing, what you could do for discrete, I should draw a real line and just think whether it is taking distinct value or not. Let's say this is 1, this is 2. So whether this is taking distinct value. Okay. In case of discrete, it is not possible that will take value, in between. I mean, in the case of discrete, it's not possible this will take value between these two red lines. Okay. It is not possible in case of discrete. While in case of continuous, okay, suppose this is one value or this is the one value. Suppose this is the one interval simply. In case of continuous, it's possible, right? It can take any value between these two green bar. I mean, this interval. Similarly, in this interval. While in case of discrete, it will take only this value, this value, this value, this value, and this value. So we have to just think a bit along with this range. I mean, in this way, actually. Okay. Fine.
yes, sir.
So it will depend.
Yes, so concept is clear, but the transition between these two variables, it seems.
Yeah, it will be clear in some time. It's not like whenever you will see some more number of examples related to discrete, continuous, and when we'll move to this part, discrete distribution, continuous distribution, there will be taking some more examples. I mean, more application with discrete and continuous. Meanwhile, it will be clear in. That's not a problem. The key thing is just I mean, that basic idea, the fundamental idea should be clear. What's the key difference between those two basic? Okay. So week 9, everyone finds easy. Are you okay with that? What
Yes,
about
sir.
week 10? Week 10 you started or not?
Not, sir.
No, sir.
Start.
Tomorrow.
It will be good if you can start because some. I think there is a due date for week 11 and 12 is same.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Same
yeah, yeah, sir,
21.
yeah.
Yeah, so it will be good for you also. I think week 7 is also easy. There you will just you have to apply the concept of expectation and variance for a random variable. That's also easiest one. And there you can see some property related to expectation and variance, those kind of things. Yeah.
So week 10 का summary session हुआ क्या?
Yeah, it will be conducted on maybe Sunday. What is the due date for week 10?
21.
21. Yeah, it's anyway.
Both
So see,
11, both
Sunday is the
10
due
and
date
11.
for week 9. So
Yeah.
we will discuss the question. Summary of week 10. Okay. So 21st is the due date for week 11, right? You are saying. Sorry, week
Yes,
10.
yes.
Okay,
Week 10
okay.
and 11 both.
Okay, week 10 and 11. Is it? What about week 12?
Week 12 is
It's 28.
28. Yes,
Okay, so
28.
before
Wednesday.
21, we have to cover the content of week 10 and week 11.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. No worries, no worries. I will, what we'll do, I will schedule the sessions accordingly so that we can easily cover the concepts of week 10 and week 11. No worries. Yeah, thanks for this.
That would be great.
Yeah. All right, then if there is nothing, then we can wind up. Is that fine? Okay.
Yes. Good night, sir.
Okay, good night. Thank you all. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Good
sir.
night, sir.
Yeah, someone is asking something.
Yeah, sir, how to access the content of these sessions, sir?
Which content?
The recorded sessions, whatever you are taking, right?
So see, you are talking about recording, huh? Yeah, you can simply check your calendar. Okay, so in the calendar itself, you can find the YouTube link. So that's in that YouTube link, you can find the recording.
When I go to my dashboard and choose calendar, it is always empty, sir. I'm not seeing any content there.
No, so from where you are joining this sessions?
I'm from Chennai.
No. From where is how you are? I mean, how
Zoom,
you got
Zoom.
the info about this sessions?
WhatsApp message.
We got message from WhatsApp.
Okay, what you can do, just go under course introduction and click general instructions and important links. There is, you can find the calendar for this course. Okay,
Google
just click
Calendar.
there and add this. You will see the Zoom link and YouTube link also. Right?
Sir, I have sent it the YouTube link.
Okay. Yeah, you can find someone. Yeah, Rajan has sent on this chat. You can find from there. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you. All the sessions will be there, okay?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Oh, okay then.
Okay, sir.
Thanks
Okay,
all.
Prashant. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Thanks, sir. Good night, sir.
Good day, sir.
Thank you. Bye. Good night.
Bye, sir.
Okay, thank you.